Section 1. The new frontier of content creation. YouTube welcomes fresh voices. The digital landscape is changing. Gone are the days when only established giants ruled YouTube. Today, the platform is a hotbed for emerging creators, a vibrant space where fresh voices resonate and new stories find their audience. YouTube recognizes this shift, actively fostering a more democratic and inclusive environment. This means exciting opportunities for anyone with a story to tell, a passion to share, or a message to spread. If you've ever dreamt of launching your own YouTube channel, now is the perfect time to dive in. YouTube understands that the future of online video lies in its diversity and the unique perspectives of its creators. That's why the platform is actively working to empower new voices and provide them with the tools and resources they need to succeed. This isn't just about fairness. It's about ensuring that YouTube remains a dynamic and engaging platform for everyone. So, whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, YouTube welcomes you with open arms. This guide is your roadmap to navigating this exciting new landscape. We'll delve into the specific ways YouTube is supporting new creators, from algorithm tweaks to community building tools. Get ready to unlock the secrets to YouTube's success and join the ranks of thriving content creators who are shaping the future of online video. The journey starts now. Section 2. Leveling the playing field. How YouTube's algorithm champions newbies. You've probably heard whispers of the infamous YouTube algorithm. Don't worry, it's not here to intimidate you. In fact, recent changes to this mysterious entity are designed to benefit new creators like you. YouTube has recognized the need to shine a spotlight on fresh content and diverse voices. The algorithm now prioritizes factors beyond just subscriber count and watch time, giving newcomers a fighting chance. One key change is the emphasis on audience engagement. The algorithm now pays close attention to likes, comments, shares, and watch time from start to finish. This means that even with a smaller subscriber base, your engaging content can gain traction and reach a wider audience. YouTube is actively looking for videos that spark conversation and keep viewers hooked. So, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Another algorithm tweak favors content relevance and discovery. YouTube wants to connect viewers with the videos they'll find most interesting, regardless of the creator's size. By optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords, you increase your chances of appearing in search results and suggested video recommendations. Think carefully about what your target audience is searching for and tailor your content accordingly. The takeaway? Don't be discouraged by a small subscriber count. Focus on creating exceptional content that sparks engagement and aligns with your niche. YouTube's algorithm is on your side, ready to propel your channel towards discovery and growth. Section 3. YouTube Shorts, your shortcut to viral stardom. In a world of fleeting attention spans, YouTube Shorts has emerged as a game changer for new creators. This bite-sized video format is your ticket to rapid visibility and audience growth. Think of Shorts as your elevator pitch to the YouTube community, a chance to capture attention, showcase your creativity, and leave viewers wanting more. With Shorts, you can experiment with different content styles, find your voice, and connect with a wider audience. One of the most significant advantages of Shorts is its discoverability. YouTube heavily promotes Shorts across its platform, giving your content prime real estate in the dedicated Shorts feed and even suggesting it alongside regular videos. This means your content has the potential to reach a massive audience, even if you're just starting. Capitalize on this by creating eye-catching, scroll-stopping shorts that hook viewers from the first second. Shorts also offer a unique opportunity to experiment and find your niche. Don't be afraid to try different content formats, whether it's quick tutorials, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or humorous skits. The short format allows for greater creative freedom and flexibility. Use this to your advantage and see what resonates most with your audience. You might be surprised by what takes off. Remember, consistency is key with Shorts. Aim to upload new shorts regularly to keep your audience engaged and maintain a steady stream of fresh content. The more you create, the more opportunities you have to go viral, grow your subscriber base, and establish your presence on YouTube. So, embrace the power of Shorts and watch your channel soar. Section 4. Community is king. Cultivating a loyal following on YouTube. Building a thriving YouTube channel goes beyond simply uploading great videos. It's about fostering a sense of community, a dedicated group of viewers who connect with your content and each other. This engaged audience will become your biggest advocates, sharing your videos, leaving thoughtful comments, and spreading the word about your channel. Cultivating this community is crucial for long-term success on YouTube. Engagement is the lifeblood of any successful YouTube channel. Respond to comments, ask questions in your videos, and create content that sparks conversation. Make your viewers feel heard and valued. Host Q&A sessions, live streams, or even online challenges to foster a sense of belonging within your community. The more you interact with your audience, the stronger your bond will become. Collaboration is another powerful tool for community building. Partner with other creators in your niche, participate in collaborative projects, and cross-promote each other's channels. This not only exposes your content to a new audience, but also allows you to learn from more established creators and build valuable relationships within the YouTube community. Remember, building a community takes time and effort. Be patient, be authentic, and be genuinely interested in connecting with your viewers. Nurture your community and they will reward you with unwavering support, valuable feedback, and a shared passion for your content. Together, you can create something truly special. Section 5. From Zero to Hero: Inspiring Tales of YouTube Newcomers. Don't just take our word for it. Countless success stories prove that YouTube is a platform where anyone can achieve their dreams. Take the example of, another inspiring story is that of. These are just a few examples of the countless creators who started with a dream and a camera, proving that success on YouTube is achievable for anyone with passion, dedication, and a unique voice. These stories highlight the power of consistency, authenticity, and a deep understanding of one's target audience. They demonstrate that YouTube is not just a platform for established stars, but a launchpad for emerging voices across all genres and niches. These creators didn't achieve success overnight. They honed their craft, engaged with their communities, and consistently delivered high-quality content that resonated with their viewers. Let these stories inspire you to pursue your own YouTube aspirations. Your unique perspective and creativity have the power to captivate audiences worldwide. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your experiences, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams. The world is waiting to hear your story. Section 6. Your blueprint for YouTube success. Actionable tips for rapid growth. Now that you're fired up and ready to conquer the YouTube world, let's dive into some actionable tips to accelerate your channel's growth. Remember, success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, experiment, and most importantly, have fun along the way. Content is king. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your target audience. Think about what problems you can solve, what entertainment you can provide, or what knowledge you can share. Optimize for search. Treat your video titles, descriptions, and tags like SEO goldmines. Use relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for to increase your visibility in search results and suggested videos. Embrace YouTube Shorts. Leverage the power of Shorts to reach a wider audience. Experiment with different content styles and showcase your creativity in bite-sized formats. Engage, engage, engage. Respond to comments. Ask questions in your videos and create content that sparks conversation. Building a strong community is crucial for long-term success. Collaborate and learn. Partner with other creators in your niche, participate in collaborative projects, and learn from more established YouTubers. Collaboration can significantly expand your reach and provide valuable insights. Promote your channel. Don't be afraid to share your videos on other social media platforms. Embed them on your website or reach out to relevant communities online. Spread the word about your awesome content. Analyze and adapt. Pay attention to your YouTube analytics. Understand what's working, what's not, and adapt your content strategy accordingly. Data is your friend. Stay consistent. Upload new videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and maintain a steady stream of fresh content. Consistency is key for algorithm favorability and audience growth. Be patient and persistent. Success on YouTube takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and never give up on your dreams. Section 7. The future is bright. Embrace the power of YouTube. The world of online video is constantly evolving, but one thing remains certain. YouTube is a platform brimming with opportunity for creators of all levels. With its recent algorithm changes, emphasis on community building, and innovative features like YouTube Shorts, YouTube is actively working to empower new voices and democratize content creation. Now is the time to embrace the power of YouTube and share your unique story with the world. Don't be intimidated by the platform's vastness or the success of established creators. Remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. What sets them apart is their passion, dedication, and unwavering belief in their ability to connect with an audience. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your camera, unleash your creativity, and start building the YouTube channel of your dreams. The world is waiting to hear your voice. The future of online video is yours to shape.